Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see the class 5 Hindi lesson 13 Shivaji ko Shiksha. So Shivaji was a great emperor and king. He was ruling Maharashtra. He has learned through experience something in his life. He got some education. He says that as education that he got through experience in his life. So that is this lesson. We'll go to the lesson. सायंकाल का समय था. It was evening. घनघोर वर्षा हो रही थी. So heavily it was raining. बिजली जोर जोर से कड़क रही थी तथा मेघों की भयानक गर्जना ने वातावरण को भयावह बना दिया. So there was heavy thundering and raining. इस एक किसान दंपति अपनी झोपड़ी में बैठ दुख सुख की बातें कर रहे थे. So there was a husband and wife who was speaking in a house in a village. वर्षा के कारण आज किसान अपने खेत पर काम करने नहीं जा सका था. So due to heavy rain, the villager could not go to the farm to do farming and agriculture. उसकी पत्नी रात का भोजन तैयार कर रही थी. So his wife was preparing food for the night. अचानक किसी ने दरवाजा खटखटाया और आवाज दी, अंदर कोई है. So somebody was tapping the door and they want to come inside. Is there anyone inside? They are asking. One person was asking. As the husband and wife they were speaking inside the house, there was somebody who was knocking the house. किसान ने दरवाजा खोलकर देखा तो सामने 20-21 वर्ष का एक युवक खड़ा था. वह गोरे रंग का था. So there was the farmer went and opened the house door gate and he could find a young male person standing there. Young man standing there. He was very fair. He was very fair. उसका कद सामान्य था. उसकी आंखों में आत्मविश्वास टपक रहा था. वर्षा में उसके कपड़े पूरी तरह भीग गए थे. So he was very charming and he was very self-confident and he was very brave to look. He was very confident. He was very self-confident that he could see, the farmer could see in that young man's eyes, and he was fully drenched in rain. कपड़े से पानी टपक रहा था. वह बहुत थका हुआ लग रहा था. उसकी कमर पर तलवार लटक रही थी. देखने में वह सिपाही प्रतीत हो रहा था. So the rain water was dripping from his dress. He had one sword. He was very tired. He had a sword which was fixed to his dress. He was looking like a soldier. So all this the farmer could observe by seeing the young man when he opened the door of his house. सामने उसका घोड़ा खड़ा था. किसान ने उससे पूछा, क्या बात है भाई? So there was a horse which was standing in front of the house and the farmer asked the young man, what do you want? युवक बोला, मैं एक राहगीर मार्ग भटक गया हूँ. वर्षा में पूरी तरह भीग गया हूँ. मैं और मेरा घोड़ा बुरी तरह थक गए हैं. आज की रात बिताने के लिए जगह चाहिए. So the young man said, I could not find the way as it was raining I could not find the correct way, and it was late night. I could not, it was late evening. I could not proceed wherever he wants to go. He was fully drenched in rain and he was very tired. And his horse, he had a horse, even that was very tired due to rain. So he said, the young man said to farmer, this one night I want to stay here. Can you give me the place to stay here? He was asking the farmer. किसान ने पूछा, कहने से पूर्व कहने से पूर्व की पत्नी ने उसे अंदर बुलाते हुए कहा, भाई आओ, तुम अंदर आ जाओ, वर्षा में कब तक भीगते रहोगे. So seeing this, the farmer's wife asked the young man to come inside. She said, you come inside as you are getting wet in rain. How much time you will stand in the rain? You get inside the house. किसान की पत्नी ने उसे अंदर बुला लिया. उस युवक को उसने बदलने के लिए कपड़े दिए. युवक के भीगे कपड़ों को आग के पास डांग दिया जिससे वे जल्दी सूख जाए. किसान ने युवक के घोड़े को आंगन में बांध दिया और खाने के लिए चारा दे दी. So the wife called the farmer's wife called the young man inside. She gave a dress for changing as he was completely drenched in rain. Then he kept the farmer's wife kept the dress that was wet, which belonged to young man. She kept near fire so that it gets dry very fast, because tomorrow the young man has to take the dress. And the farmer went and parked the horse in the veranda which was there in front of the house, and he gave some eatable to eat to the horse. He gave some grass type of thing to the horse. किसान ने युवक से पूछा, तुम तेज वर्षा इतनी तेज वर्षा में कहाँ जा रहे थे? तो farmer asked the young man, where you were going in this heavy rain? युवक बोला, कुछ जरूरी काम था. जब मैं घर से निकला था उस समय वर्षा नहीं हो रही थी. मैं मार्ग में भटक गया और वर्षा भी इतनी तेज रही है कि आगे चलने मुश्किल हो गया. किसान की पत्नी बोली, भूख लगी होगी, खाना खा लो. So the young man said, when I started to go outside, I had a urgent work. But when I started from the house, it was not raining. It was not raining. So now the farmer's wife gave the young man the food to eat. युवक ने कहा, नहीं नहीं, मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं सोना चाहता हूँ. So the young man said, no no, I am very tired, I want to sleep, I don't want any food. किसान बोला, यह नहीं हो सकता. हम निर्धन अवश्य हैं, लेकिन घर आए अतिथि को भूखा थोड़े ही सोने देंगे. जो कुछ रूखा सूखा हम खाते हैं वही तुम भी खा लो. So the farmer said, of course we are poor, but we cannot leave our guest without giving anything, any food. So we will give you the food whatever we eat, even it is very dried or a simple food, you have the food. Like that the farmer is saying the young man. युवक ने प्रेम भरे आग्रह को टाल न सका. किसान की पत्नी ने युवक तथा किसान के आगे केले के पत्ते दिए. पत्तों पर उसने भात परोसा और कड़ी लाने गई. So she kept some. The young man could not say no to the farmer and his wife. The farmer's wife kept a banana leaf, then she kept some rice, and she went to get the kadhi. Kadhi is a food that she has prepared, which is liquid, and she went to take it from the किचन. शीघ्र ही वह कड़ी लाई और परोसने के लिए युवक के पास आकर रुकी. स्त्री के बात पर कड़ी परोसी तो वह पत्तल पर बहने लगी. युवक उसे एक ओर से रोकता तो वह दूसरे ओर से बहने लगती. युवक की बात समझ में नहीं आ रहा ताकि वह कड़ी को रोकने के लिए क्या करे. So the farmer's wife got the kadi. She started putting it in the rice, but the kadi was so liquid that it started coming out of the leaf, banana leaf. So the young man did not know how to control that kadi, which was pouring away from the banana leaf. युवक की परेशानी देखकर किसान की पत्नी को हंसी आ गई. किसान तो चुपचाप देख रहा था और कुछ न बोला. पर उसकी पत्नी ने चुप न रहा गया. वह बोली, तुम तो शिवाजी की तरह बुद्धू हो. So by seeing this, the farmer's wife started laughing, as the young man could not control the kadi in his leaf, banana leaf, as it was pouring outside the leaf. And the farmer's wife said, you are a fool like Shivaji. Shivaji is a person who is ruling or trying to invade Maharashtra at that time. So she was thinking about the person Shivaji, and she said the same thing to young man, that you are a fool like King Shivaji. शिवाजी का नाम सुनते ही वह युवक चौंक गया और बोला, क्यों शिवाजी बुद्धि कैसे हैं. So he was really stunned by the way farmer wife said, and he was surprised, and he asked, why was Shivaji fool to farmer's wife. श्री बोली, बात में घड़ी लेने से पहले गड्ढा कर लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो घड़ी रुक नहीं सकती. तुम्हें इतना भी नहीं मालूम. The farmer's wife said, you have to construct a small hole with the help of that rice, so that when I pour curry into that, it gets accumulated in that. So you don't know even this one. So the farmer's wife asked this to the person Shivaji there. युवक बोला, मुझे तो कड़ी बात खाना ही नहीं आता, इसलिए मैं तो बुद्धू हूँ. लेकिन यह शिवानी कौन है और आप बुद्धू क्यों कहते हो. So the young man said, okay, I understand. I didn't know how to eat the rice and curry. I understand I am a fool. But why are you saying Shivaji? Who is Shivaji and why he is a fool? Like that, the young man is asking the farmer's wife. किसान ने बात को टालना चाहा, परंतु युवक यह जानना चाहता था कि शिवाजी बुद्धू कैसे हैं. The farmer was not interested to discuss about that, but the young man forced him to tell about शिवाजी. किसान की पत्नी बोली, शिवाजी महाराष्ट्र पर अपना राज्य कायम करना चाहता है, इसलिए सुल्तान से लड़ता है. युवक ने पूछा, सुल्तान से लड़ना क्या पागलपन है. So the farmer's wife was saying, Shivaji is a fool because she started to say about the Shivaji. She said, Shivaji wants to rule Maharashtra and he is trying to fight with Sultan of of that place. So the young man asked, "Is Shivaji is a fool because since he is trying to fight with Sultan, for that only you are asking, saying him as a fool. Is it wrong to fight with Sultan?" Like this, young man is asking farmer's wife. She बोली वह बात नहीं है, वह तो बहुत बहादुर है देश में उसके जैसा दूसरा सूरवीर कोई नहीं है वर्षों के बाद ऐसे योद्धा पैदा हुआ है जो देश पर स्वराज कार्य करना चाहता है. So the farmer's wife said, no, Shivaji, he is a good person. He was very brave person. After long time, a person like Shivaji is born and he wants to make this place his own country or homeland or a native land. So there is nothing wrong in that. But I am not saying for that reason he is a fool. Like that, farmer's wife is saying to the young man. फिर तुमने उसे बुद्धू क्यों कहा? युवक ने पूछा. Okay, you are not saying that you are not saying he is a bad person. Then still why are you saying him that he is a fool? Why Shivaji is a fool? The young man is asking so curiously to the Shivaji wife. See, as Shivaji wife said, he is a good person and a very nice person. Shivaji was a nice person and there was nobody brave as Shivaji to save the country, and that is nothing wrong that Shivaji sings to make that place as Maharashtra as his native land. So seeing this, the farmer's wife started saying, श्री बोली, मैंने उसे बुद्धू इसलिए कहा क्योंकि उसकी लड़ाई करने का तरीका गलत है. So the farmer's wife said, I told him he is a fool because the way he fights with Sultan or the person who is ruling the Maharashtra is wrong. The way Shivaji adopts to fight the king, Sultan of that place is wrong. So the young man said, तरीका गलत है यह कैसे? युवक ने पूछा. So you are saying the way he is adopting or the plan he is putting to attack Sultan is wrong, you are saying. What is wrong in it? Like that the young man is asking farmer's wife. श्री बोली, शिवाजी गांव पर कब्जा तो कर लेता है परंतु किलों पर अधिकार नहीं करता. So what does Shivaji do? He occupies the village. How does he occupy? He occupies by fighting with Sultan of that place, and by fighting with Sultan, he is occupying the village so easily. But he is not able to take the कब्जा तो कर लेता है परंतु किलों पर अधिकार नहीं करता. शिवाजी गांव पर कब्जा कर तो लेता है परंतु किलों पर अधिकार नहीं करता. किला means what? Fort. What is a fort? Fort is a place which is a strong military and defense building. So every place will have a fort. Every kingdom will have the fort. But what does Shivaji do? He simply attacks the village and occupies the village, but he is not attacking the fort of that kingdom. He is not attacking the military and defense place of that kingdom, like that the farmer's wife is saying. So the young man is thinking, like, he started thinking about the farmer's wife explanation. शिवाजी गांव पर कब्जा तो कर लेता है परंतु किलों पर अधिकार नहीं करता. सुल्तान के सैनिक मौका मिलते ही किले से निकलते हैं और मार काट करते हैं. फिर शिवाजी को पीछे हटना पड़ता है. वह यही नहीं समझता कि स्वराज्य कायम करना है तो पहले किले पर कब्जा करना चाहिए. So the farmer's wife is saying he is not attacking the fort. So the soldiers of Sultan, since he has not occupied the fort, again they try to attack Shivaji and Shivaji goes back. So what does Shivaji do? He should not attack the village. Instead, he should attack the fort of that kingdom. That is what the farmer's wife is saying here to the young man. युवक बोला, किलों पर कब्जा करना आसान नहीं है और उसमें समय भी लगता है. The young man said to farmer's wife, to attack the fort of a kingdom is not very easy. It will take time. श्री ने कहा, यह ठीक है, परंतु किलों पर कब्जा करना आवश्यक है. किलों पर अधिकार किए बिना स्वराज कायम नहीं किया जा सकता है. जैसे बात पर गड्ढा किए बगैर गाड़ी बह जाती, उसी प्रकार किलों के बिना गांव भी हाथ से निकल जाते हैं. जिससे पास किला होंगे उसी का महाराष्ट्र पर शासन होगा. So what does the farmer's wife says? Unless I understand it is difficult to capture the fort, but unless you capture the fort, then how do you make that your mother country? How do you make it a Shivaji could make it as his native land? It is similarly to this Bath and Kadi. Unless you make a small round and you build a gap along with a wall to pour the kadi gets accumulated. Similarly, if Shivaji attacks the fort, then it will be easy for him to make the place Maharashtra as his native kingdom. युवक ने श्री की बात समझ आ गई. खाना खाने के बाद उस स्त्री ने युवक का बिस्तर लगा दिया, पर युवक को रात भर नींद नहीं आई. सुबह होने पर वह चुपचाप उठकर चला गया. So the young man could understand what the farmer's wife was saying. After finishing his dinner, the farmer's wife gave him a bed to sleep, and the next day morning the young man got up and he left the place. इस घटना के कई वर्ष बीत गए. किसान दंपति वृद्ध हो गए. महाराष्ट्र में शिवाजी का शासन कायम हो गया. उनके राज्याभिषेक की तैयारी हो रही थी. So what happened? This incident happened and there many years passed away. The farmer and his wife also got nice. They got developed in their life and they were also living. in the same place. By then, the Shivaji has already occupied Maharashtra, and there was a ceremony to be celebrated in Maharashtra for making the king as Shivaji. So, for that, all the decorations in the country and all the it was getting ready to celebrate that occasion for the king to make him as a king of Maharashtra. All the things were getting ready. एक दिन एक दिन बूढ़ा किसान अपनी झोंपड़ी के बाहर बैठा था. तो the farmer has become old and he was sitting outside his hut. उसी समय बहुत से घुड़सवार वहां आ रुके और किसान से पूछे. घुड़सवारों के नेता ने कहा, यह वही व्यक्ति है जिसे शिवाजी ने आमंत्रित किया है. So he was sitting outside. There was lot of horse cart coming and people from there got outside and they invited this farmer for the function. For which function? The king Shivaji taking the role, and they people came outside the horse cart and they invited this farmer for that function. शिवाजी ने आमंत्रित किया है, यह सुनते ही किसान घबरा गया और बोला, क्या बात है, मुझसे कोई अपराध हुआ है जो शिवाजी ने मुझे बुला है. So the soldiers came outside of the horse cart and they invited this farmer saying, the king Shivaji has called him. So the villager requested them, did I make any mistake? I did not do any mistake. Why is the king calling me? सिपाहियों ने सरदार से कहा, हमें छत्रपति शिवाजी ने आज्ञा दी है कि हम आपको उनके द्वारा भेजी हुई भेंट दें और आपको अपने साथ उनके राज्याभिषेक में रायगढ़ ले आए. So what did the soldiers say? The farmer, the king Shivaji has given some gift for him, and the king has requested him to get him to that Rajya Abhisheka, that celebration to Raigad. Raigad is a place in Maharashtra. सिपाहियों ने सांझी के 2 ताल किसान के सामने रखे. एक ताल में किसान के लिए धोती कुर्ता और दूसरे ताल में उसकी पत्नी के लिए साड़ी व आभूषण रखे. So the soldier gave 2 silver plates to farmer. In one they kept the dhoti and kurta for the farmer, and in other silver plate they kept farmer's wife sari and jewels for the farmer's wife. किसान ने कहा, महाराज ने हमारे लिए ये सब क्यों भेजा, हम तो वे जानते भी नहीं है. The farmer was very simple person. He asked the soldier, why did the king send all these things to us? He does not even know us. Why did he send all this gift to us? So the soldiers told, सरदार बोला, महाराज ने हमें तो केवल इतना ही बताया कि आपके कड़ी बात के सबक के कारण ही स्वराज कायम हो सका है. उन दोनों को यह आदर्श उसी सुझाव के लिए दिया जा रहा है. महाराज ने आप दोनों में राज्याभिषेक में पधारने का आग्रह किया है. आपकी यात्रा का सारा प्रबंध हमने कर दिया है. So the soldier told Kisan, that is the farmer, that the king has learned a lesson by staying in one day in your house with the incident of Kadi and the bath, whatever he had on that day, and because of that only he could get Maharashtra. Whatever the lesson he learned on that day helped him to attack Maharashtra and conquer it, and for that reason only he has called you for that function of he becoming a king in Maharashtra. For that occasion he has called. Like that the soldiers sent to the farmer. अचानक किसान को वह घटना याद आ गई. उन्होंने उन्हें वह युवक की याद आ गया. किसान ने पूछा, यह बात महाराष्ट्र तक कैसे पहुंची? So the farmer remembered that incident because he has become old now. So he was thinking about it and he suddenly remembered that incident. Then he asked the soldier, how did the king know about that incident? How does that King Shivaji know about that incident? Only I and my wife and that young man was knowing that incident. How does the king knows the incident? सरदार ने कहा, उस दिन जो युवक आपके घर वर्षा के कारण रास्ता भटक कर रुके थे और जिन्होंने कड़ी भात खाया था वह कोई और नहीं स्वयं शिवाजी थे. So the soldier said, the person who stayed in your house on that day, who lost the way and who ate in your house kadi and bath, the rice and kadi, whatever your wife has prepared, he was no other person other than the king Shivaji himself. He was the king Shivaji, who was very young person, stayed on that day was the king Shivaji himself. सरदार की बात सुनकर किसान दंपति हैरान हो गए रह गए. शिक्षा अनुभव शिक्षा जीवन में सदा काम आती है. So the farmer and his wife were really very surprised and stunned to hear this. The person who stayed in their house some years before was the king, and they were very happy to hear it and they were surprised. So the moral of the story is the experience, through experience whatever we learn is also a education that will help us to progress in the life. That is the moral of this story. It is about the king Shivaji who was ruling Maharashtra, which he learned the lesson in his life through which he could conquer Maharashtra and succeed in his life. Hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you.